Hey, it's Christina and I have these two packages that I'm gonna open today. The small one I ordered on eBay and the big one I ordered in a Danish toy store called Fætter BR. So let's open the two. We can start with the small one. It is some Season 2 Shopkins, a 12 pack. And we don't have Season 2 in Denmark yet, so that is why I ordered this on eBay. Can't wait to open this up. And the other one. There are some Frozen stickers, and we have some Mashems with the Ninja Turtles. And we have some more Mashems with the Avengers. And also some Smurf Mashems. And finally we have some Twist Wheels 4-pack. And they are from the takeaway and from the Rust Buckets. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching.